Hello student, welcome to the online tutorial session. In the previous lecture session, we have learned that how to perform the octal addition and octal subtraction. Okay, so in this today's video lecture session, we will learn that how hexadecimal addition and the subtraction is take place. Okay, so first we will learn about that how the hexadecimal addition take place. Okay. Okay, so I hope you remember that for a octal number system, for the addition, we have prepare a chart, that is column. Okay, that is a table we have prepared. So that table will be there, but the column name will be slightly changed. Okay, so this will be decimal for the same. This is D for decimal, and this for second one for the octal number, for in case of octal number system. But in case of hexadecimal number system, that will be hexa. And then it is quotient, that is carry, and remainder, that is sum. Okay, so this table is like that. We have to, for addition, for octal addition, for hexadecimal addition, we have to build this table. Okay, there is an option as we you can opt for it, but is that it is not necessary to draw this table. But for initially, try to practice by building up the table. When you become adaptive, when you are adaptive to this addition, then you can do, or you can there is an option that you cannot write down this one directly. You can do the addition. It is up to you. But at initial days, you try to practice in this way. Okay. So now I am starting with this very initial small sum, very initial sum, that is very easy also. Okay. So it is written. Okay, I'm using the red ink, that will be easier for you to understand. That is 69 base 16 need to be added with 34 base 16s. Okay, so 69 I'm writing over here, and 4 and 3. Okay, let's start addition. So 9 plus 4, I hope the 9 plus 4, the sum is 13. So in case of hexadecimal number system, you remember that we cannot write 13, okay, because 10 onwards we have an alphabetical order. That is 10 means A, 11 means B, 12 means C, and 13 means D. So here this sum comes 30. So we will write down here D. Okay, and 6 plus 3, it is 9. This is already also comes under this hexadecimal number system. So it is 9. So 9D base 16. Okay. So answer is 19D base 16. Okay. It's a very easy one. I hope it is clear to you. Now I am moving to the next sum. Okay. That is 5, 7, 2B. We have to add. That is 5, 7, 2B base 16. We have to add it with 4, 9, 6, 8. Base 16. Okay, so let's start with that. We are placing the value, that is 5, 7, 2B, and this is 8, 6, 9, 4. Okay, let's add. So B plus 8, right? B plus 8. B means what? You remember B means what? 11. 11 plus 8, it is under decimal part. Okay, D part. Okay, so 11 plus 8, it is means 19. So what is comes under hexa part? So 19 divided by 16. If 19 divided by 16, quotient part we will write down 1. It is in Q part, and it is in sum part, that is remainder part, we will write down 3. Okay, so this part so that's why this part I am erasing only. So sum part I have to write down 3. In the quotient part, it is 1. Right? So again 2 plus 1, it is 3. 3 plus 6, it's 9. Very good. 9 is comes under. Then start with addition. 7 plus 9. If you add 7 plus 9, answer is what? 16. So 16, if you try to divide it by 16, so what will happen? In the D part, it is 7 plus 9, that is 16. So in the hexadecimal part, 16 divided by 16. So quotient is 1. Sorry, quotient part I will not write over. Quotient is 1, which is here, and some part and the remainder part is 0. So quotient I am writing over here. That is carry part 0. So 5 plus 1 it is 6. 6 plus 4 it is 10. 10 you cannot write down 10 directly. I am writing as A. So the answer is A093. So this is the addition. Okay. Next addition, very quickly we are clearing the page and very quickly we are writing down. That is 9A516 plus 9,4C16. Okay. So I'm doing this. It is 9A5 and it is 9,4C. So C means what, you remember always that C means what? 12. So 12 plus 5 it is 17. So 17 if you divide it by 16, the sum is for the quotient is 1 and sum is also 1. You clear? So 1 I am writing over here and 1 I am putting over here. Okay, A means what? 10. So 10 plus 1 it is 11. 11 plus 4 it is 15. 15 all means E. E and F. Sorry, 15 means F. So F directly I am writing over here. 9 plus 9 it is 18. So 18 in decimal, 18 divided by 16. 18 divided by 16, quotient is 1 and remainder is 2. So 2 I am writing over here and carry 1 is there. If there is no other digit is left to add, then we will put it forward to the carry. So this is the addition part. Okay. Now we are quickly moving to the next part, that is the subtraction part. Hexadecimal subtraction part. Okay. So quickly, the very easy one we are taking, very easy sum, that is, it is written 9C8D base 16 minus 25AB. Okay, I am arranging 958D BA, it is 5. Okay, it is 9C, I am writing, so that's why C2. 5, 2. So D means, you remember, D means 13. Okay, so you have done B means 11. 13 minus 11, it is easily done, it is 2. Very good. It is 8 is there, 8 and A means what? 10. A means what? It is 10. So 8 minus 10 cannot possible. From here I am taking borrow, that is 16. So it becomes B. So 16 plus 8, it becomes 24. 24 minus A means 10. So it becomes 14. 14 means again, it is 14 means, if you are find out, 14 means what? E. It's 18 minus 10. If you add, it is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. So you write down this one. Okay. And next what will happen? So it has subtracted B. B means what? B means 11. Okay, 11 is there. So if you subtract 11 minus 5, so answer becomes 6. 9 minus 2, 7. Clear? Now we will move forward to the next sum. Next I am taking the bigger one, that is written E0 2A8 base 16 minus A287D. Okay, I am arranging, then you are able to understand. It is E0 2A8 and it is A287D. So it is again 8 minus D. Not possible. So I have taken borrow from here. So this become 9. So 16 minus 8, it is 24. 24 minus, it is D means 13. Okay. So if you subtract this one, so it's become what? 11. So 11 it is. 11 means B. So directly I am writing B. So 9 minus 7, that is possible, it is 2. Again it is 2 is there and 8. It is not possible. I have to take borrow from here. But here 0 is present. So it becomes F. So it becomes 16. From 16 I am subtracting, it becomes 5. And here I am giving 16. So it is 16 plus 2. Right? 16 plus 2 means 18. 18 minus 8, it means 10. 10 minus means 8. Okay. So this right now in case of 0 we have 15. So 15 minus 2, it becomes 13. 13 means D. And F me and E is there previously. So if sorry, I have written F over here. This will be D. I'm the subtracting. So D means 13. 13 minus A means 10. 10 means 3. So this is subtraction. Okay. Another small sum is there. Very quickly I am doing the last sum. I hope it is clear. Directly I am positioning it CA07 and it is 9822. Okay. So 7 minus 9 is not possible. We have to take borrow from here, but here to 0. So from here it becomes 9 and it becomes 16. So 16 in form you have to subtract. It becomes 15. And here I have to add 16. So 16 plus 7, it is 23. So 23 minus 9, it becomes E. Okay. Now 15 minus, it is 8, it is means 7. Now 9 minus 2 becomes 7 and C means what? C means 12. 12 minus 2 means 10. 10 means E. So in this way, we can perform the binary subtraction. So I hope that binary subtraction, hexadecimal subtraction and hexadecimal addition rule is clear to you. Thank you, student. I'm ending my lecture over here.